And by the way, if you hear some noise, that's because of my nephew. Hello, come in, say hi. Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I testing affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. Make sure that you hit a subscribe button below, and I will keep you updated about affordable beauty products every week. And of course today's video I'm going to test this guy from Tarte Shape Tape, which is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I did a video about comparison about L'Oreal Infallible Last Long Wear Concealer, I believe that's the name, and compare with this one, and yes, that's a dupe. And again, I wonder, because a lot of people said this is a long-lasting concealer, so then I wonder, is it going to be like long-lasting in oily skin, because I have an oily skin, in case that you are new, especially in a really warm country like Thailand. So yes, of course I'm going to test this little guy with you. And yes, by the way, the reason that I'm wearing this one is because it's some grand festival in Thailand, which is like a New Year, Thai New Year, something like that. And all of my brother and their children come. So if you hear some noise, that's because of my nephew maybe playing with my brother. I am a youngest one in this family. I have two other brothers. So yes, by the way, I know that you would like to know the result of these concealers, so if you would like to know, come and check it out. As you can see, I finished my eye makeup and my eyebrow. I got nothing on my face, and of course I'm going to test this concealer from Tarte Shape Tape. I do compare, like video compare between Tarte Shape Tape and L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I think that it's a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape. But I also heard a lot of people who said it's a long wear concealer, so I wonder, is it really long wear concealer? That's why today I create this test with me, and I'm going to coming up and check with you in every few hours. Of course I'm going to put this one in under my eye and some blemishes somewhere. As you can see, I've got nothing on my face now. And yes, I didn't use any face primer because I really want to know, is it work or how long is it last until, you know, because I have a really oily skin. So yes, I think it's pretty good to test it with me, and especially if some of you guys already have an oily skin, so you will know, is it worth it for your money. And of course, especially in the weather in Thailand, it's really warm. So yes, just put it on my face. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'm going to powder my face using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. And for the products that I used today, I'm going to put it in the description box, and I will be right back. And this is a finished look. Like I said, every product that I use today, I'm going to put it in the description box. And of course I'm going to coming back and keep checking with you guys in every few hours. And if you hear some noise, that's because of my nephew's coming as well. So I think he's playing with his dad, which is my brother. And yes, the time is now half past 11. So I will go in out, and yes, I will keep checking with you guys in every few hours, and yes, I will be right back. Hello, I'm back, and the time is now 39 past 2, and to be honest, I think it stay on my face for like, sorry, that's my work. I think, to be honest, it stay on my face for like a couple hours, I guess, 4 hours, yes. So it start to have shine coming through, as you can see. I didn't put it on my nose, but I put it under my eyes and around these areas but on my forehead there's not much shyness, and I think it's pretty good, to be honest. It's feel lightweight, and you know, it's cover my blemishes, and as you can see it starts to oxidize a bit, because before when I literally just finish it, it's really bright under my eyes, but now it's okay. So I will catch up with you one more time and I will tell you how I feel after I taste it for like I think maybe more than 8 hours. Hello everyone, I'm back again, and the time is now 39 past 7, and to be honest, it it's also still have some shine coming through. I did touch off one time, but in the real life it's not look that bad. I think this is look really oily because I put, you know, a ring light like on me like this. So yes, it's not that bad, but I can see like my mascara start to transfer a little bit under my eye. Let me zoom into you so you will see what the difference. Alright, this is pretty gross. As you can see, it's like, you know, here a little bit of like black dot under my eyes, which is from my mascara, and then this side too, and then on my forehead I think it just start to have some oiliness, which is pretty good so far. So I think this concealer is worth for your money, because to be honest, first of all, this one is got you know, a pretty good amount inside of this package, and to be honest, I have a really oily skin, and especially in Thailand it's really warm, so for the 8 hours, and to be honest, in the real life it's not that bad for the shyness, everything. And yeah, it's just like give me some glow, but it's not that bad, which is, to be honest, if I use, you know, foundation, it's going to be like really greasy and really disgusting. But this one does pretty good job, and it gives me really lightweight, feel really comfortable for my skin, and also for 8 hours I think it does a pretty good job. And yes, if you're looking for a really good concealer and you think, you know, you just like pay, this one is quite expensive, to be honest, but compare quality, and you know, it lasts me, I think I got it for like 4 or 5 months now, but I didn't use that often, but to be honest, it lasts me for a while, I'm pretty sure. So yes, it worth for your money, and I do recommend this as well if you don't mind about the price. And yes, that is all about Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!